What's up, guys? I'm Kenzie.
And I'm Bray.
And today's video we're going to be doing
making edible slime.
Don't forget to like, share,
and comment on the videos y'all want us to do.
Now, let's get into the video.
Today, we're going to be making edible slime. The ingredients that we need is cornstarch, pudding, and we also have gloves and spatulas so we won't make a mess. Number one, we're going to need the clear tub, which is right. And then we're going to need to put on our gloves so we can have our hands clean once we're done.
Pop these
Suckers on.
Alright.
Can't put my fingers in correctly.
That was not satisfying as I hoped. Alright, let's get started.
First up, we're going to need the pudding.
Okay. Pudding.
Open the pudding and put it in the clear tub.
What?
How do you open the pudding?
There's a little thing right here and it will not open. Oh,
Oh, you just want to eat the pudding.
No, I don't. I hate pudding.
Okay, and then you're going to get a spatula.
But how many do we need?
We're probably going to need 3.
3. Enough. So 3 each. Yeah. Alright. Pour, pour, pour. We each have our sides.
Okay.
So you don't mix it up. Alright.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Set the spatula down. Okay, got it. Alright.
Do you though?
Number 2.
Does she? Last and final. Easy peasy.
Please open.
Whoa, a little slippery. In the world?
Got it.
Oh. This was this. Like that. Easy peasy.
Number 3.
Number 3!
Scoop it, scoop it, scoop it, scoop it. Set that down. Got a little left in there. You gotta get all of it. Cause we really need this.
Look at how goopy that is.
Alright. Next ingredient we're gonna need cornstarch.
Cornstarch!
Make sure it's sealed. If it's not sealed, it's not right. Unless you already got cornstarch.
Low-key wanna just... Okay, so...
Okay,
what you're gonna wanna do
is put a little at a time.
No,
because you're gonna pour and mix until it's a slime consistency. So, yeah, just pour some and then.
Away from me now.
Okay, that was a little too much. Oh.
I'm gonna have some nice white pants. Yeah. Ew, it's really goopy.
So if it looks like this, it's not right.
Obviously, you want this.
It's kind of turning
like
into a slime consistency.
There we go. There you go. Making a little bit of a mess here. You know I'm a spray.
I put too much. Again.
Oh my god, it's actually starting to turn into like
the slime consistency.
Yes.
Oh my god, y'all, look. I don't know if y'all can see, but
look at how like it's not like, you know.
It doesn't look like pudding still.
Guys, it's more. It's coming all together.
She's not probably gonna add like a little more.
A little more. I need this to be. Well, she had it in the video.
You're gonna need to add like a little bit more.
That is really
Don't
coming
be like
together.
me and accidentally add too much.
Look at how like it's getting there.
I think that's enough. You kind of want to like keep it in a corner.
Yeah, keep it all together. Can you pour some more cornstarch for me, please?
Yes. You don't want to immediately look like it looks like something because you're gonna add.
I'll tell you when to stop.
You're gonna add.
I'll tell you when to stop.
A little bit more cornstarch. You don't want to add too much. That's a lot of
I'm gonna start kneading it with my hands to really have it all come together. This stupid spatula thing.
Make sure you don't want to get it on your clothes. Yeah, you're gonna have to start kneading it with your hands eventually.
This is about to taste. This is actually kind of about to take. That actually smells good. Yeah, I'm gonna need more cornstarch.
That looks like okay. Couldn't see it. Your arm was in the way.
This smells burnt, bro. This smells like burnt leaves, like a cookout.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. It smells like burnt oatmeal.
Burnt? Okay, oatmeal? Don't disrespect oatmeal like that.
I'm trying to really.
I think I might put some cornstarch in my hand and then start like kneading it.
This is really getting there. Look at mine. Mine is actually starting to get there.
Yeah, we're gonna knead this with my hand now. Even though I have gloves on, I still don't like kneading stuff.
Look at that. It's really
Keep yours on your side.
I am. Don't want to mix in whatever you have.
I know you're lying. I know I had a hole in my thumb, so.
Why isn't this?
I don't know why I did that.
This is really getting there.
True.
Cornstarch me.
You talking to me?
You'll be alright.
Why can't you do it?
Because my hands are more dirtier than yours. Like a lot. Yeah. I'm going to do 2 hands to really get it all.
You want to transfer it into the other bowl? I'm definitely going to need like...
Yeah. I'm gonna start to transfer them.
Yeah. Okay. Don't close your hands. So, we're going to transfer this into a smaller bowl.
Look at mine, guys. It's really turning into slime. I just need to mix it in some more. The fact that you have to use a spoon.
A spatula?
Yeah, it's the same thing. Same difference.
Same difference?
Yeah.
I mean, it makes it easier to transfer with the spatula. Kind of stole some of yours.
Please don't.
I'm not giving it back. Well, yours kind of stole some of mine, so then I had to steal it back.
Yeah, but
Yeah, it's because it started to mix.
alright. We're almost there.
I'm still standing. Feels so weird.
You're standing? I thought you were sitting. Alright. Cornstarch me. Perfect.
I'm going to need like a lot of cornstarch.
I'm gonna need the whole bucket.
You gonna start mixing it without your hand?
Yeah.
I mean,
I think it's gonna be easier without the gloves because the gloves are already so dirty. So.
Trying to get like all the cornstarch from the bottom.
I got cornstarch all over my thumb though.
I mean, you think this is a good consistency to take off?
Consistency?
No.
No.
Do you think I need more cornstarch?
Yes.
A
lot.
more?
You want me to pour for you?
Yes, please.
Give me a second.
Your hand might get dirty though, cause it's like
I will be okay.
dough like everywhere on it.
This would actually be a good dough for like a pudding cake, you know?
Okay, I think that's enough. I just want to like. I said I look when you eat the cornstarch. Is it good?
It's delicious.
Why would you put it back in?
I mean, it actually does not taste that bad.
It's gonna taste better once we get finished with it.
Once I really get it nice and mixed, okay.
You think this is
See,
good?
now you're doing too much.
You think this is good?
Now you're just like.
I know, because it's like really stuck to the. I think I might eat the corn.
Do it.
You could. So our assistant dropped off some.
Not our assistant.
some food coloring. Just kidding.
Our mother, who edits all of our videos,
and is the camera woman.
Yeah, behind the camera right now.
She says hi.
Mom sends her hellos.
She's laughing in the background.
Okay.
You think this is good to take off my leg?
I want to eat this. Let me see how much corn.
I'll eat that off camera.
It tastes so good.
Who told you that?
It's nasty.
You can't have that in the video.
Oh my god, that's gross.
Alright, time to knead it with my hands.
We're so close. That cornstarch. I don't know how
I cannot. I don't like getting my hands dirty. Okay.
You will be alright. Calm down.
We're going in.
This crap. So this is mine. Edible slime. I was definitely better off using marshmallows. We have a vacuum. Good vacuum too. Alright guys, I think that's it. I will not trust tasting it, but I know it's edible slime.
That's it for you. I'm still. I think I need some more corn.
I don't think that's edible. That tastes like slime.
I mean, it got edible.
I wish yours was come together so you can bite into it, take a good,
well,
and
I
then
think I need some more cornstarch.
Bro.
Give me some more cornstarch.
That's
stuck,
so
weird,
bro. This whatever this is stuck at the like roof of my mouth.
It's edible cornstarch. I mean, I'm gonna say edible cornstarch. It's edible slime. I think. You said it tastes like corn. You said it tastes like real slime.
This is disgusting. But I like it. It's edible. I know it's edible.
Because we use edible ingredients.
Braylee, you want me to help you? Because you're not even like mixing anything. You're just touching it. That's not me. You have to really do it. You're just gotta get in there.
You know what this be good for? Some pasta dough.
I don't know, because this is low-key nasty. You know what, Jacob? If you are watching this and you want some of my edible slime, take the whole, well, not the whole thing, because I actually want this, but like, yeah, you can have some of this.
Oh, Jacob. You can have some right here.
that's the whole one there. It don't even.
This is just straight for cornstarch at this point, so this is kind of a fail for me. I think you put too much cornstarch. Cause it's not.
Give me your thing. Give me your bowl. Give me your bowl. Give me your bowl. This was the Alright guys, this was a success of the edible slime. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try it.
It's not that bad.
Not that bad. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below what videos you want us to do next. Make sure to turn on your post notifications, and we will see you guys on the